Morning all of you, this is Mr. Purnachandra from Maths for All with PC Sir. Okay, my dear students, and today we are going to discuss polynomials and factorization from the 9th class topic. Okay, the 9th class second chapter, polynomials and factorization. In the polynomials, how to find the zero of the polynomial, that is the topic we are going to discuss. Okay, in the polynomials, you know different types according to the number of terms and according to the degree, and we know the different types of polynomials in the lower classes, particularly in the 8th class, right? And according to the number of terms, what are the types of polynomials? You know, monomial, binomial, trinomials, multinomials, etc. Right? So these are according to the number of terms and according to the degree of the polynomial. The first degree polynomial, that is linear polynomial. Second degree polynomial, that is quadratic polynomial. And third degree polynomial, that is cubic polynomial. Okay, these are the different types of polynomials according to degree of the polynomial. Right? These topics are very, very important in the 10th class also. And these polynomials, how to find the zeros, values, and types of polynomials, these are most important in the higher classes, particularly in the 10th class also. Right? Okay. And here, how to find the zero of the polynomial? Either it is a linear polynomial, you know that is a first degree polynomial. So first degree polynomial having only one zero. And the second degree polynomial, quadratic polynomial having two zeros. As well as the third degree polynomial, cubic polynomial having three zeros. But what is the zero of the polynomial? What is the zero of the polynomial? We are going to discuss. Okay, children? And see here, zero of the polynomial. Okay? If P of x is a polynomial in x, the value of x for which P of x is equal to 0. The value of x for which P of x is equal to 0 is called zero of the polynomial P of x. Understand? If P of x is a polynomial in x, here x is the variable in the given polynomial. If P of x is a polynomial in x, the value of x for which P of x is equal to 0, the value of x in which P of x is equal to 0 is called zero of the polynomial or zero value of the polynomial also you can say. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? And what is the variable in the given polynomial? Suppose either it is x or y or s, t, whatever it may be. And what is the value we are going to substitute in the place of the variable? The polynomial becomes 0, that is P of x is equal to 0. That is said to be zero of the polynomial. Understand? Here, what is the meaning of zero of the polynomial? If P of x is a polynomial in x, here x is nothing but variable. If P of x is a polynomial in x, the value of x for which P of x is equal to 0 is called zero of the polynomial P of x. Okay, children? Right. Let us see. We are going to take one example. And what is the zero and how we are finding the zero? Suppose it is a linear polynomial. Example I am taking. Let P of x is equal to 2x plus 3. P of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Right? It is a linear polynomial, first degree. It's having only one zero. The first degree polynomial is having only one zero. Right? How to find the zero of this polynomial? Okay. Here P of x is equal to 0. The value of x for which P of x is equal to 0. So let we are taking P of x is equal to 0. P of x is equal to 0. And what is P of x? What is P of x? 2x plus 3. Right? 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now I am writing 2x plus 3 equal to 0. And here 2x is equal to plus 3 shifting to right hand side. Here left hand side it is plus 3, that is shifting to right hand side, that becomes changes minus 3. 2x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 3 by 2. The 2 is multiplying now, shifting to right hand side, so that is dividing right hand side, that becomes minus 3 by 2. Now x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 3. Understand? Here any polynomial is given and first of all equal to 0, p of x is equal to 0. Alright? Here 2x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 3. Then x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Right? It is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Now, it is the 0 of the polynomial means, and what is the definition? For which the value of x for which p of x is equal to 0. Suppose here value of x is minus 3 by 2. Now, we are substituting minus 3 by 2 in the place of the variable x in this polynomial. You are getting 0 or not? If you are getting 0, minus 3 by 2 is the 0. Okay, so it is the 0 of the polynomial. By substituting minus 3 by 2 in the place of the variable x in this polynomial, p of x is equal to 2x plus 3, you get 0. So, minus 3 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Okay, right? For the value of x, that means here what is the variable? X only there. So, the value of x, if p of x is equal to 0, then the value of x that is said to be 0 of the polynomial. Okay, we will take one more example for better understanding the 0 of the polynomial. Let us see all of you. We are taking one more example. So just we are getting 0 by the substitution of the variable x or y or whatever it may be, by the substitution of x is equal to any value in the given polynomial. If you are getting 0, that is the 0 of the polynomial. For better understanding, we are going to take one more example. See, p of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 14. P of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. Okay, see, P of minus 1. This is another different type of example. Is minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial x square plus 5x plus 4 or not? Okay, right. P of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. And here P of minus 1. Here what is the variable? X only. In the place of x, we are substituting minus 1. Then what happens? If you are getting 0, your minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise, it is not 0. Clear? Right. P of minus 1. Minus 1 whole square. Plus 5 into minus 1 plus 4. Okay, minus 1 whole square. That is plus 1 only. And your plus into minus 5 ones are 5 plus 4. See here, 1 plus 4. Simplify the like terms. 1 plus 4. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Clear? So we got 0. Here P of x is equal to 0. If P of x is equal to 0, where you are getting 0 here? By the substitution of minus 1, you are getting 0. Therefore, minus 1 is the 0 of polynomial P of x. Okay? So like this we are going to find the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, suppose linear polynomial given means in the previous example we got x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Sometimes quadratic polynomial given. Quadratic polynomial given. How to get the zeros of quadratic polynomial? You know that factorization, right? And we are taking one more example for understanding how to get the zeros of a quadratic polynomial with the help of zeros, right? See that. And one more I am taking. See, for better understanding, another example, P of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6 given. See, it is a quadratic polynomial. Second degree polynomial is said to be quadratic polynomial. how to get the zeros of this quadratic polynomial? Okay, let p of x is equal to 0. That means x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now factorization, you know the factorization method. And what is the constant? 6 only there. Factors of 6 you can write 2 into 3. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. And here sum of the factors must be equal to the coefficient of x. What is there here? 5x. So in the place of 5x you are writing these two factors. Plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here, and just you make into two parts for the given polynomial. In the first part I am taking x common, x plus 2 only remains. And here also we need x plus 2, just we take plus 3 common, x plus 2 equal to 0. Now here x plus 2 there, again you are taking x plus 2 common and x plus 3 remains is equal to 0. Here x plus 2, taking x plus 2 common and here x plus 3 remaining. And individually we are taking, suppose x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to plus 2 shifting here minus 2. And here x plus 3 equal to 0, taking x is equal to minus 3. Right? These two are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 5x plus 6. Understand? Every is a quadratic polynomial. Every quadratic polynomial having two zeros. Right? Here minus 2, minus 2. The first example you get only one zero, that is a linear polynomial. And it is a quadratic polynomial, you are getting two zeros. Okay? These are the basics how to simplify the given polynomials. And more applications are there in the 9th class. Of course, in the higher classes you are getting. Further, you have to better understand what is the zero of the polynomial, and of course it is the nothing but value of a polynomial. In the previous example, x square plus 5x plus 4, by the substitution of minus 1, you are getting 0. That is nothing but value of a polynomial. Okay? By understanding the zero of the polynomial and the value of the polynomial, we are going to solve more applications in the polynomials. Okay? And those topics we are going to discuss in the next class. And my dear friends and students, and please like and subscribe my channel, that is Maths for All with PC Sir. Okay? Thank you very much. We will meet you in the next class. Okay? Bye.